was really fast. Let me just do that. Alright, this is going to be my chat right here. So, take a look at this. So, what we're going to do now, oh, actually let's see what happens. What happens in KTANE when I do something like this? Let's see. This is KTANE how-to tutorial program. Wonder if the robot will actually see them doing something. Maybe not. Bombot seems... No, that's Logbot. I mean, I guess we can just... Oh, well, I did that. Don't watch that. And... Wow, yeah, that's really good. Let's do some editing. Okay, that's fine. And it's fine. Comments. There it is. Save changes. Okay, let's get back to the video here. Yep, there we go. So that's going to be working. So anything major being off? Guess not. Bombot doesn't want to do this anymore. Okay. Well, it doesn't matter. So, our next part is trying to... Well, let's try to create a welcome screen. So we're going to have a string... let's turn that off. Give me a second here. Voice and video... Voice activated. There we go. So we're going to create a welcome screen. Oops. Need to do terminate. So we're going to have a welcome screen, so it's a welcome to the KTANE tutorial program. Tutorial program. Please enter a module that you would like to learn. There we go. So I think the first thing we could do working is on alphabet. So here's how alphabet works. The first thing I'm going to have to do is I'm going to have to recreate the module using Java and whatnot. So that basically the program will become the diffuser while the user becomes the expert. So how the alphabet works is it will always generate at least one word to spell out of the word bank that's here. And then if there's less than 4 words, it will auto-generate the rest of the words. So first thing we're going to do is alphabet, so I'm going to create a new class called alphabet. So the first thing we have to create for a method is generating a puzzle. So we'll have private instances of string of the puzzle and private string of the solution. So for now I'll do private void generate. So the thing is, we're going to have a list of words. We'll do something like this. So we'll take a number and we'll equal it to the word bank here. Let's see. There is, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 by 1, 2, 3, 4. That's 20 different words. So we're going to generate 20 different numbers. So int num, and we're also gotta do import java.utils. There we go. Num, let's see, random rand equals new random equals rand.next int, and there's going to be 20 because there's 20 different letters. So we're going to switch our number, and we're going to take our word. So in case for when it's 0, or even something like this. Alright, how about we do something like this? Also have a private string of array of the word bank. I'll just copy everything down. Two, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Okay, and all I have to do is just copy all of this. PSI, OP, QEW, DFW, PKJS, IDX, SC, AKQ, VCN, H2, There we go. So after that, our string word is going to eke something out of the word bank of our number. I thought it was word bank. Word bank, oh, of number. There we go. So this will automatically generate a word for us. String remaining equals something like as in actually we'll do this. If word dot length is less than 4, or so now we're going to take our number and we're going to randomly generate between let's see, between 26 letters so we're going to switch our number in case of 0, then remaining is going to equal remaining plus a break. And do the same with the rest. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 1, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26. Okay. Now all I have to do is switch all these numbers. Oops. Keep doing that. There we go. Instant here. And there we go. So then we generate our random letters. J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Okay. So that's the end of that. So then we're going to do is if remaining dot length equals 2, which is a case because you also have 2-letter words from the word bank, and so if the remaining dot length would equal 2, what we'll do now is we're going to take remaining and match it with the word bank. So to do so, we're going to, let's see, we can do this the easy way, and let's actually do it like so. You can make this the easy way. Optimized. Here it is, 2-letter words. And we're going to have num again. We're going to set it equal to -100 as a flag. Well, we're going to set num equal to 0 in any case. But any point is if, let's see, we can do another switch case here of remaining. Case of AC. In the case that we have that, so which is CA, then remaining is going to equal AC, and num is going to equal -100. Do the same thing for GS, SG becomes GS. Wait, is there an A? What if the 2 random letters that remaining does accidentally spells a 3-letter word? That'll be interesting. Let's do something like this. We're going to take word, I'm going to take remaining equals remaining equals word equals word. Still like so. So we're just going to get rid of, let's see, if word dot length is less than 4, I take that, then we're going to have a num score. For int of AA equals 0, and there's a total of 20 words, so that's going to be AA is less than 20, AA plus plus. And we're going to have a nested loop here, so for int BB equals 0, BB is less than 4, less than 4, BB plus plus. So, guess bot doesn't really like it. Well, in any case. So, now we gotta match any word that we have with the new word bank. So let's see here. Let's see. So if zero and there's another thing. We can't have duplicates, can we? I don't think the words allows us to be duplicates. Huh. Okay, so we're going to do this differently. We're also going to have a private strings of letters. So we have A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Alright, so, tell you what. First thing we're going to do is remove anything. We'll just keep this up for now. See, we're getting our word bank. This is our less than 4. So first what I'm going to do is create a remove string of word. letters length. If word.char at bb equals letters of AV that char at 0, actually we'll call this as removing, and we'll call this private void remove. String of L and int of numbers. So string of convert equals new string of, let's see, L dot length -1 we'll have, let's see, string of C of C. Letters of, let's see, AA. What's wrong? Oh. That should be good now. Something like this. So that should be fine. removing. That should be fine. Do that. Next we will word is length is less than 4. Going to generate a number. Int of, it's going to be at the letters dot length. So then the word is going to equal word plus this plus letters of number. Then we letters equals remove our letters with our num as our character there. There we go. So that way we don't get duplicates. Into 0. So if word bank of AA dot care at BB equals word dot care at 0, then we'll do num plus plus. We'll also have an int position. I'll do int position and int best. I'm going to set that equal to 0. Might as well set this to -1. It doesn't matter. Let's see. We'll do something like this. 2, 3, 4. Plus 1, 2, 3. Plus, so if num is greater than best, then we'll have best equal to num and position equal to AA. That way we get the best position. So so after doing that, we're going to have a string convert. It's going to equal to our word bank of position after that. Now we're going to, let's see here. So for int of dd equals 0, dd is less than convert dot length dd plus plus. Then we're going to start removing actually do this. We'll have a string of let's. The word let's. It's going to equal the word dot character at 0 plus this. Because I know it's set equal to 4. It's always going to be 4 when it comes out. There we go. That's fine. This is fine. So we're going to do removing of so this will cause a couple problems, like such as right here. So equals removing, so our word of let's, it's going to equal our removing of word of let's. Let's plus, let's see, our converted. What's wrong with this? DD. There we go. After all that, no, not wordlets. If convert length is equal to 2, then we're going to take our wordlets. Let's take a word that's going to equal to wordlets of 0 plus
hello.
hello.
What you doing here?
I'm creating a tutorial program here. First thing is alphabet. This is tend to be a little bit more convoluted than I thought because I'm trying to generate the puzzle first. So it's basically I have to create the module before I can even have the program teach it to the person.
Right.
Let's see. Let's 0.
How come you're in the stream channel?
Because I am streaming.
Ah. Okay. I mean, like, you want to go into actually one of them or no?
I mean, yeah, that's why I put myself here.
Alright. There you go.
That's better. Alright. So let's see here. Now let's see. So we got a new word. So now we're going to look at our 2 words now. Because the best word that we were able to come up with, the word that we just got, was 2 words. So we're going to look at our word bank now. Let's see. How do I make the string chat bigger? That's no problem, Commodore boy. Let's see. Let's double check our work here. So lesson 4, we're going to remove all the letters that contains our characters of the word. Then for every word length, then we're going to remove the letter. That's fine. Then, using our new family word here, at least it can produce at least 1 word. We're going to find out what's the best word. Actually, just for control find A. See, there's one. So let's say if my 2-letter word was AC, like it generates the word AC, and then I generate the 2 words and then it becomes VN. Well, obviously you want to do VCNA. This is why I'm doing this, so let's see here. So this is going to try and find the best word that it can do. Wait a second. It's not always going to be 4, so that's going to run into a null pointer exception. So we got to do word bank of AA.length. There we go. Gotta avoid those null pointer exceptions no matter what. So I think I was checking that. And so it'll add a number every time a letter from the word, which does not have repeated letters, because at least from the program that I looked at, it doesn't have any repeated letters. It'll never have any repeated letters. So then we're going to find the best word, take that word, put in convert to string. Then we're going to get rid of all the letters that's containing that best word. And if our convert is 2, take our word here. We'll just put it as a filler and put it as 0, 1, and put it as 0 and 1 because it's down to 2. So after that, we are going to, let's see, what am I going to do here? I'm going to check, okay. Then we're going to go through our cases. Then we'll have num set to -1. CAGSJROP. Then we have JR and RJ. OP and PO. If num equals 100, then our convert is going to equal our convert plus this plus our word. Else, if, let's see, word let's of 0 is less than word let's of 1, I'm going to go in alphabetical position here. Oh, these are strings. Okay, then let's do this. If word dot char at 0 is less than word dot char at 1, then our convert is gonna plus, and just copy this, else. So that means the first letter is less than the second letter, so it's already in alphabetical position, and we have to do that one second with the convert because the convert goes first because that's part of the word bank. Then after doing that, if in any other case, we take our convert plus that, plus we're going to take our word that char at 1 plus this plus our word that char at 0. So all I did was flip the word. All right. Let's see, I'm guessing that's if convert. So the other case, else if convert that length equals 3. Then basically it will be just this, and nothing else happens if it's 4. So what we're going to do is, after all that, we're going to have our solution equal to our convert. Then we gotta have to create the puzzle. So for int of e equals 0, e is less than 4, e plus plus. We're going to take our number, and this is going to equal a randomly generated number between the word, let's see, well actually no, convert that length. So then our, let's see, so puzzle is going to equal this. So then puzzle equals puzzle plus this plus our convert.char at number. Then we got to remove that letter. So word's going to equal to this for int 0 ff is less than convert that length ff plus plus. If ff doesn't equal num, word equals word plus this plus convert that char at ff. Then at the end we'll have convert equal to word. And there we go. I think we generated our puzzle. So the only case that we have to do now is doing it in our run section. So let's generate. So this might come up with issues, so I always take in case of that. So let's take our driver. Let's go from here. We're going to create a new alphabet object. Okay, so it seems to be not giving me any issues. So let's do some printouts. Print out the puzzle. And we're going to print out the solution. So let's do this. Okay. That doesn't seem right. TFLL. How do you get a puzzle like that? Solution is that. And I know it's something other than that. But let's see. I bet it's a 3-letter word and I didn't. Let's see, 3-letter word. So we'll do something here. Okay, let's see. Moving our letters, the best word. Println convert. HDU, but then you have HU. What? Okay, something went wrong. So HDU is our 3-letter word. If convert that, okay, so it's not jumping there. We know that. Convert at DD. So we need to generate a 3-letter word. Maybe I gotta do something like this. See, word let's of 0. Also would make it easy if I did something like this. If word length is less than 4. And how did it... Okay. How did it get that word if it's not... Shin equals word. And we do the same thing here, so we'll do this. See? See what happens now. $191. Bound must be positive. What? Num equals, oh, because convert that length is, wait, convert that length is negative? Bound must be positive. Okay, what if I just do println 0. Well, how on earth would it equal 0 at that point? Oh. Why did I copy it there? That was stupid. Okay, do it now. I'm guessing it's VSIA. Give me a 2-letter word. LX. Where's that? LXE. DFW, I recognize that. VCN, HDU. Huh. Starts working? because I added one line? No, I mean, it seems like it's working. But the word egg comes up a lot. So, let me look at this. Letters.length. Like, a lot of things is repeating. So we'll do this. Println num. Okay. ARGF 20 and 6. So you see, because that shouldn't be it. I know the two letters is AC, but why? And not only that, but it's repeating letters, which I don't want it to do, because I'm trying to remove the letters. And if it's doing that, why isn't it doing anything else? See, it does it right there too. CJ. Where do I see? Oh no, JQX. And I don't know why I was converting numbers there. It shouldn't have printed out numbers. Unless you're telling me that it generated something from these two letters. And okay. Might as well. Okay, so that's OPN. Is our first, well, actually it first goes to OP, then OPNQ. And here's our fault. Okay, so somewhere down the line here, words let's 0 and let's 1 screwed up in the process. to make AB. Oh God, this is so infuriating. Anyone have a solution to this? You don't need to pay anything. You don't have to pay me anything. Too many A's in my switch cases? Well, the thing is, it's generating a bunch of words from here. So this is my letter bank, I would say. And I'm trying to generate letters from that letter bank. So, okay, so the letter bank looks like it's going fine, but it's when I convert it to whatever wordlets, which is the letters of the word, that I convert it right here is having a problem. Let me see here. What if I print out the word from here? So let's see. Let's take this out. We don't need to see what that's going on because that's fine as far as I'm concerned. It's over here that's screwing up. So let's do it. Our word. And before and after. Whoa. What the hell? Huh. All right. Where would that be? That is interesting. I've never seen it do that. Never my entire life. Okay. Convert equals word bank. So let me do it right here then. Oh, whoops, I did print, not println. Okay, so it's fine here, but it's this part that seems to be going screwy. Even though all I'm doing right here is I'm checking if the word bank of at the position that is at a certain character is checking at the word at that character. And all I'm doing after that is adding num num plus plus. And I'm adding the best equal to num and position equal to a. So what if I do something like this? TJLV, TJLV. See, it's fine there. Okay, let's do this. I think I might know what it is. You know what exactly it's doing? it's not taking account of what letters aren't there. Alright, so I gotta switch up the system somehow. That word bank. Okay, what about if I do something like this? If the number is equal to the word bank of AA dot length, and then we'll do if num is greater than best. How's that? So what this was doing, it was checking what was the best word out of all of them. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to check if the number that this is at is going to equal the length. Since I set the number to 0, everything should be fine. So for every time, let's see, and I made sure there was no repeats, so I can't get duplicates here. So what if I do it now? Oh, this is gonna build. QIDX. That's that, so that doesn't count. No. PKDI. But then it replaces right there with another thing. Let's see. So it did replace a word. And how did it do that? Because, okay, so the solution is that. I think that's the solution. AK, we have an AK, no. PKD is the solution, right? PKD is the solution. Where did it get the I from? Where did it get the A from? Is less than println okay. I'm going to make sure we also have our word here. Okay. PKDV, and you see the switch there. It's not supposed to replace it with an A. Okay. Let's see. Oops. Let's do this. Do that. This is an interesting one. And this is falling into the 3-letter one. Because this is that. So if it's less than 4, it's that length and I removed. So if I did this, then that would be that. If the conversion is equal to 3, then I did wordlets of 0. like that. Actually, we should do the same thing here. This is it. And then when it's 3, do this. Whoa. 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 Okay, so what happened is wordlets basically equals the oh no. That's not good. QEWO was my word. So QEW was our word. Wordlets. By entered, wordlets is our word, not letters. Oh, because I'm returning letters and not lets. If I run it again, there we go. So GS is our word, XB is our next thing, BX. Yes, that is the solution. So, is this working now? Is it? I call that a success. Yes. It is working. Oh, boy. Ugh. Whew. Okay. Alright, let's get rid of some of these printlins. We don't need that. We're not going to need this. So, I basically created the alphabet module. Yay. That's part 1 done. I don't know if I should keep going with this. Basically, after creating our generate solution, now we can create a tutorial. So, let's say this. Paint that. Welcome to the alphabet tutorial. The object of this module is to press the right key. To press the keys in the right order. Press the keys in the right order. Let's see. Okay, we'll just keep doing this. So, let's see. This module will generate 4 random letters. This module will generate 4 letters. 4 letters and you have to press the keys in the right order. To press them in the right order, follow these steps. One, spell the longest word with the letters, spell the longest word in the word bank with the letters given. Note, you can only, let's see, we'll do a backslash in here. Note, you can only, let's see, only use a letter once. So do this. 2. If multiple words can be spelled, spell the word that comes first in alphabetical order. And then the next one. And let's see, do this. There we go. 3. If no more words can be spelled, spell the word comes first in alphabetical. Spelled. No words can be spelled. Press the remaining buttons in alphabetical order. Which reminds me. Okay, so I did length 2 right here. If I did this, but then we have convert that 3 here. No, that's fine. No, this is fine. It's this part. Okay. And since we can't reuse letters, so that means you can't have 2 ACs or 2 GSs. So what we're going to do is only look at the first letter of each one. So if convert.char at 0 is less than word.char at 0, then it's going to be this. Else, we're going to do something like this. We're going to take the word first, then the conversion. So in the case that we actually do spell 2 words with the 2 letters, that way, if the word is less than the convert, the word will come first, then the convert. So if I run this a couple times, yeah. Welcome to the alphabet tutorial. The object of this module is to press the keys in the right order. To press them in the right order, follow these steps. And there should have been a little end there. Let's see. Let's place it right here. Looks nice. No, T can only use the letter once. If multiple words can be spelled, spell the word that comes first in alphabetical order, then the next one. If no more words can be spelled, press the remaining buttons in alphabetical order. Alright. We can take generate out. See. And we should get a private instance of, let's see, string of the word used. So in the case of two words spelled, I'm just going to say, okay, just say word used is going to equal it's going to equal convert plus and plus word. If this is the case, then the word used is going to equal our convert, and that's it. Same thing here. If it equals 3. And finally, if it equals 4, less than 4. Actually, let's find where my if statement goes to. There it is, else. So then the used word is going to equal to word. Alright, so now we got also our used word. That show message dialog. Let's do an example. Example. Let's use plus puzzle as our first problem. It's our first problem. Try. As our first problem. Try to spell the longest word that is in the word bank first. Or do I do first try to spell the longest word? Try to spell the longest word is in the word bank. Actually, I probably should use something like this. I've used 2. And for the 2 one, let's see. I gotta find it first. Here it is. Used in word used 2 equals word. So before anything else, I'm going to take word used to and set it equal to null. So this is where I'm going to generate our puzzle. So let's generate right here. Spell the longest word. The word I can spell with plus puzzle plus the I can spell with puzzle is plus, let's see, plus our not solution, word used. So if word used to next we will try to spell. So we'll try to spell a word with the remaining letters. That is spell with the remaining letters. That is going to be let's see, plus. Let's see. Let's look at, let's see. String remaining. And spell is equals 4. Oops. Since the word has all of the, since the word uses all of the letters, that is the order. Let's see, do something like this. That is the order of letters that we are going to press. Press. Okay. Else. And letters. Remaining. Okay. Next, we're going to spell a word. Alright. So I gotta get remaining. So when the two words are remaining, okay, so remaining is going to equal word here. Well, actually, it's going to be down here. That's what it is right there. There we go. I think I got rid of the system. I don't know what was that up there. Oh, I got rid of that. So I was left with this, so we can get rid of any of these. Have our remaining equal word. I was just trying to double check to make sure I'm not deleting important code here. So if that equals 3, then we're gonna have our remaining equal to wordlets of 0. Remaining, okay. If word used to that equals null, see here. Unfortunately, I can't spell. Unfortunately, we can't spell any words in the word bank with plus remaining. So we will press the remaining letters in alphabetical order. And else okay, so let's do this. Copy, paste, do this. Then we can spell plus word used to using the remaining letters. So now remaining letters. Now we have to press the words in alphabetical order. So words in alphabetical order. So alphabetical order. So the solution to plus puzzle is plus solution dot, and that should take care of that. Welcome to the alphabet tutorial. The object of this module is to press the keys in the right order. To press them in the right order, we follow these steps. Spell the longest word in the word bank with the letters given. Note you can only use a letter once. If multiple words can be spelled, spell the words that come first in alphabetical order, then the next one. If no more words can be spelled, we press the remaining buttons in alphabetical order. Let's use QKYS as our first problem. First, try to spell the longest word that is in the word bank. So let's see, QKYS. Let's see. I don't say K. No. So let's look up here. We have KYS. Q. It's an interesting one. And it will always generate a word, so it has to be one of these words. So let's see. Let's control find Q. YKQ is the longest word I can spell right now. And then S is our last one. The longest word I can spell with QQYS is YKQ. Next, we try to spell a word with the remaining letters. Well, I should probably put in parentheses S. Unfortunately, we can't spell any words in the word bank with S. So we will press the remaining letters in alphabetical order. So the solution to QQYS is YKQS. Oh, this is going to help so many people. I can't wait. This is going to... Let's do this again. So, introduction. We'll use POIG. So, OP is the first thing that comes to mind when looking at this. First, try to spell the longest word in the word bank. The longest word I can spell with POIG is OP. Next, we will try to spell a word with the remaining letters known as GI. Unfortunately, we can spell any words with the word bank with GI, so I press the remaining letters in the alphabetical order. So, the solution to POIG is OPGI. So let's see here. Just spell the longest. Try to spell word with the remaining. Here we go. Put parentheses here. I should invite Elias to see what happens. It's no problem. I'm sorry if I don't look at the chat again. I'm really sorry. So let's see if I'm going to invite Elias here. Let's see if I can invite him to the stream. I know she's panicking. Looks like Jigsaw got something else. Let's see. That's that. Go back to KTANE here. And that should be it. So the first part is going to be just an introduction into it. And this seems to work fine. PJQ, I feel like, yeah, that is it right there. The longest word I can spell with PJQS is PQJS. Since the word uses all the letters, that is the order of the letters that we're going to press. So the solution to PJQS is PKJS. let's use as our second problem. So I'm going to give it two examples. Then what I want to do is I'm going to give it a problem now, and I want the person to answer it. So I'll do something like this. So, all right. Now, let's have you do a problem. Let's have you do a problem. Do a problem. Let's have you do a problem next. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to generate right here. Have you do a problem. So, I have an alphabet module, and the letters on it are plus puzzle. Puzzle. If equals null, else first enter the longest word you can use with plus puzzle. To uppercase. Actually, you'll have string input up here. So I'll have to do this. Just enter the longest word you can use. While input dot equals word used and that show message try again. That's correct. That's correct. Let's see. And since like, let's see. Let's see. Int num equals int answer equals. And that show confirm. Next, does the remaining letters plus remaining plus, does the remaining letters make a word? If answer equals 1, then else that's correct. That's correct. The remaining letters does not make a word. It's correct. 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 Okay. Let's double check here. Okay. All right. That's fine. So, see, that's wrong. It's wrong. The does not make a word. In any case, after that, actually, no. So first, next, take the remaining letters and put them in alphabetical order. Alphabetical order. Order. Let's see. Then we take this. Do this. So we have longest word is going to equal to word used backslash n remaining letters equal to plus remaining backslash n. So what should the order be while, okay, we'll put this as input. You can get rid of the null. While, and we'll do input equals input dot to uppercase. Then while input equals solution, see, wrong, try again, and then we'll have I'll be right back. Alright, I'm back, guys. Let's see here. It's fine. Here, let me send you that. So, okay. That's correct. That's correct. Well done. Well done. Next we do the exact same thing. I'll just copy all that. Do something like this. How come that doesn't look right? Okay, that's better. because that makes it true. So I gotta do something like this. Use 2. That's correct. Next, does the remaining letters make a word? Answer is 0. That's correct. Does make a word. So, okay, maybe I should have deleted all that. So next, take the 2 words and put them in alphabetical order. Take the 2 words and put them. And then we have word 2. Use word 2. Or word used 2. So, after that, what should the order be? Try again. So do this, Control C, do this, do that. Correct, well done. Hey, show message dialog. Now, here's a puzzle for you to work on. No more hand holding. Plus puzzle. So we're going to generate first. No more hand holding. There we go. So the option pane that show input dialog. What is the solution to plus puzzle? So input equals that. Put equals input that to uppercase. And then while the input equals solution, I meant the solution, not the solution. While it doesn't equal the solution, there we go. Wrong. Try again. Option pane that show. Correct. Correct. Now you are ready to do. Now you're ready to do the alphabet module. And that's end of sequence. So if I run this, welcome to the alphabet tutorial. The object of the module is to press the keys in the right order. Press them in the right order, follow these steps. You spell first the longest word. If multiple words can be spelled, spell the word that comes first in alphabetical order, then the next one. If no words can be spelled, press the remaining buttons in alphabetical order. So let's use SIVC as our first prompt. First, try to spell the longest word in the word bank. So let's see. The longest word I can see is VSI. So let's see. The longest word I can spell with SIVC is VSI. Okay. Next, we try to spell a word with the remaining letters C. Unfortunately, we can't spell any words with the word bank with C, so I press the remaining letters in alphabetical order. So the solution to SIVC is VSIC. Next, let's use YKEW. I think QEW is our longest word. Yep. And then next we'll try to spell with the remaining letters. Unfortunately, we can't spell any words, so solution to YKEW is QEWY. Alright, now let's have you do a problem next. I have an alphabet module, and the letters on it are TDPK. First enter the longest word you can use with TDPK. I can spell PKD. Let's do LXC. Wrong, try again. How about PKD? That's correct. Next, does the remaining letters T make a word? No. That's correct. The remaining letters does not make a word. Next, take the remaining letters and put them in alphabetical order. So we have the longest word of PKD and the remaining letters of T. So what should the order be? PKDT? That's correct. Well done. Now here's a puzzle for you to work on. No more hand holding. What is the solution to MNIR? That's going to be IRNM. Correct. Now you're ready to do the alphabet module. That's great. So what I'm going to do is input case alphabet. We can now use alphabet. So we're going to create alphabet and do an alpha new alphabet object. Do alpha.run and then break. You can do an alpha equals null type deal, and that should be it. So when I run this thing, okay. Went with the BIS again. And it's weird because it's the same exact one. Okay, here's something different. Ooh. LOTJ. Is it gotta be like a TJ something? Okay, let's find something. LO? No, LT? LJ? LOTJ. TJL. So TJL is correct. And how about yes? That's wrong. Does not put them in alphabetical order. So there should be TJLI. No, TJLO. Correct. So now here's a puzzle for you to work on. No more hand holding. HDUN. Terminate. So what I'm going to do is, let's see. Yeah, I think I'll stop stream there. We did the alphabet module. Whew. That took a lot of time to do, but in any case, it's worth it. So now people will be able to learn the alphabet module through a program. So I'll stop stream here, and I'll see you all next time.